Good morning. Good morning. Today is that day, cause it's Zay Way's birthday. You know what I'm saying?
Whoa, 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 yeah. Look at me dead in my eyes, I know that you know that a nigga ain't lying. Too much respect, all of my shorty BDs, they know not to try.
How you feeling? How you feeling? How you feeling?
Good 5 feet. Start the morning. Apple Watch rolling. Beats is charging. Hat for later. Life is good.
Too much respect. I used to hand out CDs before they would buy it. Whoa, she love me so much, it seems like she buys.
Bro, come on. Damn. Back looking swole. Getting you some birthday footage, you know what I'm saying?
I used to sell these, middle school.
Are your friends trying to do anything later?
1 for 3.
No? You gotta take 3 scoops for your birthday. Cause you gonna shit yourself. Bro, come on. See the fit, I see the fit, clean shave. Oh, where do you think we going, bro?
It's walking distance.
Is it though?
Spot you like? Right.
You like?
You don't even know. I forgot I didn't tell you.
You gotta close your eyes though. What's your guess though?
Del Mar. Really? I hear it.
Wait, third. Minus 1, right? 22. It's good, bro.
Happy birthday, brother. Thank you, bro. Happy birthday. Yo, that's your type of cake. Damn.
1, 2, 3. Cute.
My little vlogger for real.
Alright, ladies first.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
That boy's safe in the drive?
You switch on the guys that supported the haters. Let's go.
Yeah, what did I switch?
Hey,
Yeah, Molly like who?
Hey, my night's green.
Yeah.
My nigga, come on, hit the speed. Hit the speed.
We got a package here, as you can see. We got the Batman on. Okay, nothing crazy, nothing crazy. Seen this around, you probably seen it around too. But let me show you what's inside this box. Cause this box, I've wanted this ever since I saw it. The day I saw it was the day I was like, Arlene, this is the one I gotta get. So, let's see. The way people package things is hilarious. Ooh, do y'all see that? Boom! Alright, alright. Dated on the 2nd or the 21st of February. We got the little thing right there, whatever. Now, this one, brand new. Brand new, bruh. Sheesh! Oh my gosh, do y'all see this? Do y'all see this? I don't even know if y'all can see it, bro. Anyways, this one, brand new, bro. Oh my gosh. Stop playing. Oh my gosh, stop playing with me. Damn. This is so simple that it's like, it's almost like not real. Is it me or is it just like, I'm not like.
It doesn't feel real.
Not that it doesn't feel real, it's just like.
Yo, you can hear me?
Yeah, what you on?
Nothing. Still at the store.
Still at the store? Bro, Pete, bro. You can see me or not?
Oh, shit. No, I can't. Oh, the watch cannon?
Bro. Hold on, Arlene, hold this. Look at this shit, bro.
Damn.
Oh my.
Show me the right one. Show me the right one. Is that black and gray?
Yeah.
That's that ball.
This one, whatever, bro. But this one,
What's that one called again?
Bruce Wayne, bro. So sometimes I'm feeling like a boss, but sometimes I'm feeling like I gotta save the world.
That's hard.
You gotta wear this one or this one.
Well, they both look big.
Yeah, they're both big on me. I gotta get them sized.
That's tough, bro. Congrats. Congrats.
All right, so yeah, if you're watching this, just know these things are just material items. And it's funny because I was just telling Arlene, like, it's crazy, like people get this big ego with these on, and I don't know, I just don't think, like, I'm happy that I have these, but it's like, it's just a watch, you know what I mean? Like, it's just something that I wanted, so I got it, but it's not something that's gonna change the type of person I am. And I feel like a lot of people get these things and they let these things change the way they act or the way they talk to people or the way they interact, you know? And I'm just like, how? Like, I'm just confused on how, you know what I mean? Like, I don't really see the big ego shift with having this on or even just having it. If you're watching this, keep going crazy and just lock in and you can get whatever you want. All right, guys, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. I hope you guys continue to watch these videos. You know, business is good, working is good, but don't forget to have fun. I mean, working is gonna get you, you know, like me, I got my dream watch from it, but I feel like having fun is what I remember the most. So don't forget to have fun with your close friends, your family members, and yeah, just stay positive. I feel like anything you put your mind to, you can achieve as long as you work towards it and you just stay positive. So I was able to cop my dream watch, and it just makes me really happy, makes me really proud, because I didn't know that I was gonna get it so soon. I thought it was gonna take me 2-3 years to get it. I ended up getting it in 7 months. So my dream watch, finally achieved it, and I appreciate all you guys for supporting me and watching and just supporting me overall. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next video.